Hey, what's up, unboxing friends and family? I am here with another unboxing. This shipped from Adrian, Pennsylvania, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of unboxings. I believe this is an action figure set. Pretty excited to open this up. I am a collector. And what's your favorite figure in your collection? Leave a comment below and let me know. Subscribe to my channel and check out my other thousands of videos. Got some cool bubble wrap or paper. Alright, so this is from the WWF SmackDown line. This is a real scan Rikishi, Rulers of the Ring #2. I've met Rikishi a few times. I've seen him live and in person, in action. Coming up soon, I get to see him again. I'm going to actually have him sign this. And it's pretty cool, huh? Here's some other figures that are in this line and other lines that came out. This is from Jakks Pacific Inc. And this was from 2000. As always, thanks again for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Set this down safely. See ya.